Hello friend, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Today I bring a new topic that is big main rearrangements. That is very important topic in organic reaction mechanism. So we should be need to focus on to concentrate on this topic, and this mechanism the main reactants of this mechanism is enzyme. That is one enzyme R2C double bond NOH that is attached with OH. So this is one enzyme and that is derived from the ketone. This enzyme will be the main reactants of this reaction. To the initiation in first step of mechanism, we should need to write the first step, that is protonation, called protonation the first step, because addition of proton is occur. So it will, so that's why it will be protonation. So protonation, in protonation one proton will be added to this oxygen. This oxygen have two lone pair, so that's why one lone pair will be attacked on this electrophile, and this electrophile will be attached with this, and here water will be produced, water will be formed. Here is same before in the products, but only here is one hydroxyl, one hydrogen group atom is more hydrogen atom is attached. So that's why completely here is aqueous formed. So this aqueous can be lost because this oxygen will get positive charge. Here is this oxygen has plus charge because oxygen lose one electron towards hydrogen. So that's why that will be one lone pair of electron will lose. So that's why this oxygen will be plus charge. To stabilize this plus charge, the bond between oxygen and nitrogen, it will be shift towards oxygen. So that's why hydrogen, so that's why water will be generated, and water will be neutral, water will be generated. But when the bond break towards oxygen, or when the bond break away from nitrogen, so that's why nitrogen will be get positive charge, like this here. This is plus charge on nitrogen, while water will be neutral, water will be removed from the steps. But in this case, when the here is nitrogen is, we know that the nitrogen is electronegative element as compared to carbon, very electronegative element as compared to carbon. So that's why it will be very stable, that nitrogen, the electronegative element, has positive charge. So that's why to stabilize this compound, we should need to shift alkyl group towards nitrogen. So by shifting of alkyl, the plus charge will be move towards carbon, while nitrogen will be become stable, while the whole compound will be stable as compared to when the plus charge on nitrogen. So again it will be like this. That is when this double bond, when this single bond shift, when this alkyl group shift toward nitrogen, nitrogen will become neutral, while this carbon will be get plus charge because this bond shift towards nitrogen. This electron, that is bond pair electron that is represented in bond pair will shift towards nitrogen, so that's why carbon will get plus charge. So on this plus charge, carbon here is carbocation produced. So this carbocation, once again we should need to take the water that was produced in the first step. So in the second step, so here is this water which oxygen has contained two lone pairs. So this lone pair, this water will be as a nucleophile, it will be attack on this carbocations. So that's why it will be produced like this compound, that is Nr, is before that is Nr double bond C, and here is R. Here is only water, one water group is mostly attached, but here oxygen of water, it lose, it give one lone pair of electron to the carbon. So that's why oxygen will be get plus charge. To remove the plus charge, to give the stable products, we should need to remove one hydrogen or one proton from the this water. So that's why oxygen, this compound will become neutral, and after the removal of hydrogen, it will be like that. So after the removal of hydrogen from this, the here is OH will be neutral OH will be produced, and one proton will be generated. This is proton that are generated, that is lost. So that's why here is stable compound producer. But in this stable compounds, that is not enough stable, but stable is that is RC double bond O NHR. This is very stable compounds. So how this compound is converted into this compounds, I will be discuss this in the next page. It will be like that. The first of all, the compound that is RC double bond O C OH double bond NR. This, when this was produced, this is the product. So that's why how this compound will be converted to like that. This compounds RC O. So it will be, the mechanism will be like that. This lone pair of electron will be, this lone pair of electron will be shift towards here. Here double bond will be produced. When this double bond will produce, here is covalency of carbon is completed, so that's why one bond here, the double bond of between carbon and nitrogen will be, one will be breaks, so that's why this carbon, this one bond will be break toward nitrogen, so that's why nitrogen will be get negative charge. So this negative charge will be again attack on this hydrogen. When they attack on this hydrogen, this bond will be shift towards here. So complete one cycle we produce. So after the cycle, the final product will be like that. That will be double bond produce oxygen double bond O, and here is N R and H. This will be produced. So this way the mechanism will be like this. I can show you again. You can see now here is the compound that I write there, that will be converted into this RC double bond O in HR in the way that I explained in the separate page. Okay, thank you very much. I hope this mechanism will be clear. Still, if you have any confusion, if you have any question, you can ask me in comment section, as well as you can ask me in my personal WhatsApp or Gmail that I put in the description box. You can get from there. Okay, thank you very much. Very best of luck, my friend. Very best of luck.